9, Junior Cert Higher Level Maths 2025. Fia records the temperature in her kitchen in degrees Celsius over 10 hours. Tx is the temperature x hours after Fia records it, for x is between 0 and 10. Okay, so that's what we see down here on the x-axis. Use the information to answer parts A to F. Okay, so it's a question on functions, I guess, mainly. We'll see. Estimate how long it takes for the temperature to reach 20 for the first time. Give your answer in hours, correct to one decimal place, and show your work on the graph. Okay, so you should really use a ruler for this. So you can see here on the left hand side, the temperature going up in jumps of 3. So I'll be as accurate as I can be here, but it's not going to be perfect. So if this is 18 and we divide this in 3, so that's 20, that's 19, we'll say. So that's the one we're talking about here. So I should be drawing a line straight across there to find out for how long it takes for the temperature to reach 20 for the first time. Well, that's the first time it reaches 20 there. So if I bring that down, straight down, okay, again, I'm not going to be able to do that perfectly fine. If I bring that all the way down here, it's going to be around here. So that's 2.5 hours. It's I'm going to say 2.8 hours. Okay, so it's slightly more than 2.7. I think it's around 2.75, so I'm just going to say 2.8 to one decimal place. For how many hours the temperature remain constant between 0 and 8? Between 0 and 8, so let's go back up and have a look at the graph. Right, so, well, the only time it's constant is between here and over here. Those two spots there. So that's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. That's the answer to that part. Just counting how many hours it's in there. So it's between 3 and 7 basically. 8 is too late. It's already going down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. All right, so we can put that in there. 4 hours. And we'll go on to the next part. Section S of the graph goes from x is equal to 8 to 10. Okay, that's the part of the graph that isn't drawn, where with t of 8 is equal to 15. T of 8 is equal to 15. Okay, so let's just have a look at that. So t of 8 is 15. Okay, so that's that point there. So then what do they want to say after that? During this section, the rate of change is plus per hour. Okay, so if it's there at t of 8, t of 9 is going to be 18. So it's back up here at 9. And it's going to be back up here at 10. So am I supposed to draw it? Yeah, to draw it in. So that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so let's draw it. I'll just change the color here for this. All right, so that's part S there. See above. The table below gives a function for the temperature in each of the 3 sections. So T of x is 21. Well, where is it 21? So I'm supposed to say whether it's in P, Q, or R. T of x is 21. T of x is 21. Well, it has to be Q because everywhere else is kind of dropping. So that's going to be Q. x squared plus 10, plus 12, sorry, plus 12. So I think that's going to be this one here, because if x is 0, it's plus 12, and if x is 1, plus 12 is 13, so it's going to be p. Just 2 is squared, so 2 squared is 4, plus 12 is 16. Yeah, that's right, so p is the right answer there. So by process of elimination, the last one is r, and you can see here that there's a negative. Okay, so negative 6 by 2 is negative 12. Yeah, okay. Sorry, r is which, the decreasing section here. Yeah, okay. So 6 eighths is 48, negative 48 plus 63 is 15. Yeah, that's right, that's fine. All right, next one. Which of the following functions give the temperature in section S of the graph? Justify your answer by checking points. Gives the temperature in section S of the graph. Section, okay, right. So if I say 3x minus 8, so 3x, that point there is what? 3 nines is 27, minus 9. 27 minus 9 is 18. That's right, that looks right. Minus 3x. No, this is the one that's right. So 3 nines is 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. 3 tens is 30 minus 9 is equal to 21. The other ones, okay, so this is going to be 3 nines is 27, that's too high, too low. Yeah. All right, so I think that's all I need to do there. Remember that the graph shows the temperature in Fia's kitchen. The temperature in Fia's bedroom is always 3 degrees less than the temperature in the kitchen. On the diagram on the previous page, draw to show temperature in the bedroom for the first 8 hours. Use the same axis and scales. Okay, 3 degrees less. So basically I'm just drawing the same thing but lower down. All right, so okay. And is it just as far as 8? Yeah. So that's it. That's part F, and I think that is it for that question. Yep.